Okay, so check it out. This is a property we just got out in Kingman, Arizona. How crazy is this? I mean, it has an outdoor kitchen, if you can see that, here on the patio. A complete outdoor kitchen, hot tub. Oh yeah. So that's just the beginning of this place. Let's come out and clean that out. But it has a hot tub, it has cacti. It is gorgeous. This is that kind of tree I was wanting to put over there by the house. This back door here is to the master bedroom. Ooh, it's really nice. And then, oh, is this amazing or what? And then back here, if you have an RV or something like that, got RV parking. It's got 2 AC units. And then mountain views. 10-foot ceilings. So, has a 3-car garage. This is the 3-car garage. Water softening system, new hot water heater, water system for the plants outside. Program it. This is the laundry room. There's a sink and everything with it. Here's one of the bedrooms. Really cool. Check this out. The colors are gorgeous in here. Again, tall ceilings. And then this is another bedroom, the blue room. Gorgeous. Jack and Jill. Nice. This is one of the bathrooms. Excellent. Storage area for your towels. I love that. And then this is the master bedroom with a walk-in closet. Oh my goodness, it's gorgeous. What? Get out of here. Look at this. Look at this room. I'm gonna stand over here at the corner. Check this out. This is the bedroom area. Or if you want to make this the bed over here, you can go over here. But look at this partial wall where you can have a separate little area over here in your bedroom. This is amazing. This is the back door I was saying led out to the where we just were. And this is the master bathroom for the master bedroom. Nice. So, has a tub. That's pretty cool. And has a shower. And has a toilet in there. So, gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Love this place. Now, let's go back this way. This is the kitchen and dining room. Check this out. Fireplace in the dining room. Wow. These tall ceilings, open floor space, recessed lights, not the cheap ones either. Sound system. Wow.
Check this
Look at that. Operated with a switch. Is that badass? And then you got the open floor plan that goes into the living area, but look at the appliances even. Gorgeous.
All Samsung appliances.
Everything. Oh, we need to come in and do some cleaning, but wow, look at this. Is this not amazing? I don't think this is plugged in. Okay, let's go to the living room. Wait, we have another room. What is this? A hat closet, coat closet? Yeah, just a little closet in here. And then this is the living area. Oh wow, look at that beautiful ceiling fan. Inset